Here we are in the gym at the apartment complex. Say hi. That's where Josie works out. Show him your workout. Show him your workout.
But this whole thing on campus is completely free of charge. It's tremendous. Street from all over the world, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that. That's pretty popular from a bunch of people just pushing this space.
Just a little dance floor that they have in the work. You see the weights behind me. Surrounded by mirrors, of course. Get the ball, Joes. Go get the ball. Come on, you're on film. Everyone's counting on you to be extra cute. You're gonna be on the YouTube. Say hi. She comes. These are her favorite medicine balls that she likes to work out with. She does about a 20-pounder now. So yeah, do something exciting for the folks at home. Oh, that's it. Knock stuff over. Josie. This floor doesn't look it so much, but it is exceptionally dirty. And she will be quite filthy by the end of this little jaunt. Ooh, she found the ball. She found the ball? She found the ball? This is the women's the sauna where she likes to take a steam after she's worked out. Come on. This way. This way. Daddy can't go in there with the camera. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. And that's the front entrance, I should say, to the workout room. And there's the fountain out there. If you can see that. Way out there you see a little fountain. That's right in front of the elevator banks. You're crawling up there. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Let's make tracks. Can you pump some iron for us? Be careful. Don't run over your fingers. Yay. Yay. Don't pull it out. Leave your hairpin in there. No. Yeah, no. Look at her guilty face as she tries to pull it out. Yeah, you don't pull it out. Leave it in. You leave it in. Leave it in. Josie. Josiah, where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's head? Head out yourself. Head. Well, she's not in the mood for tricks right now. There's your head. No, she's trying to take it off. Don't take it off, sweet pea. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You okay? You okay? Oh, try not to run into the wall, sweet pea. Okay, this one's getting long now, so I'm going to cut it out. I'll make another one for you later. Bye.